Imagine maneuvering your motorhome on wheels through a gorge with towering rock walls that practically swallow up the sunlight. Would you dare? We did on our way to one of Spain's best-kept secrets, a cave that has been waiting to be discovered for over 1,000,000 years. Our mission today, the Cueva de Valporquero in northern Spain. But the road there is at least as spectacular as the destination itself. The route takes us straight through the Gorges de Vega Cervera, an impressive gorge. The question isn't whether it will be beautiful, but whether we can fit through it with our camper van. Let the adventure begin. Soon the gigantic rock walls loom. The road narrows and winds like a snake along the river, with a deep abyss on the left and a massive vertical rock face on the right. With every blind bend, my heart pounds, hoping for no oncoming traffic. The road forces us to take it easy, giving us the chance to truly absorb the raw beauty of this gorge. We suddenly feel very small in this immense landscape. The weather isn't cooperating, but we'll be riding here again tomorrow. Check out the next video for better footage. And then, after the last bend, we arrive. We quickly pull on a warm coat because we've been warned. The cave is a constant 7 degrees Celsius with 99% humidity. You can only visit the Cueva de Valporquero with a guide. As soon as the door closes behind us, we enter a completely different world. The first chamber, the Gran Rotunda, is overwhelming, 20 meters high. We follow the path deeper into the earth, through 7 chambers full of stalactites and stalagmites. We had received a booklet about the cave in English, so we had some information. The booklet also described the 2-kilometer marked walk outside the cave. Walking above the cave, we saw the circular sinkholes formed by the limestone that has eroded over the centuries and now caused the water to drip, forming the stalactites and stalagmites. The parking lot where we are now with the camper van is around the large sinkhole. With the images of the underground cathedrals still fresh in our minds, we feel a deep sense of satisfaction. The exciting and sometimes nerve-wracking drive through the gorge was absolutely worth it. This is the perfect example of the double experience that makes campervan travel so unique. The journey is the challenge, the destination, the ultimate reward. These are the stories we will tell later. Have you ever ridden such a thrilling route that was worth every drop of sweat? Let us know in the comments. We're super curious. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.